DeWalt 1.6 HP 30-gallon single-stage Oil-Lube vertical portable air compressor is Jobsite tough and built for the professional. It features automotive-style ball bearings, durable stainless steel reed valves, oil-level sight glass, easily accessible oil fill, and a cast-iron balanced flywheel for easy maintenance, durability, and convenience. This single-stage, oil-lubricated compressor offers a twin-V cast-iron pump with a one-piece cast-iron crankcase and a thermally stable cast-iron cylinder body. It has a heavy-duty 6 HP, 120/240 volt induction motor, as well as a full-size metal belt guard for added motor protection and durability. For portability, you can wheel it wherever it is needed. DeWalt offers a full line of both electric and gas-powered professional compressors. DeWalt compressors include lightweight, portable contractor units, high-volume, high-capacity wheeled contractor units, and high-capacity industrial compressors to accommodate the highest demand. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient and reliable. The cast-iron, twin-cylinder pump featuring an aluminum head and valve plate helps ensure faster heat dissipation. The high-flow regulator supplies 20% more torque for projects like removing stubborn nuts and bolts. The heavy-duty dual-voltage induction motor is able to drive high pump performance, which helps to ensure trouble-free operation. Number 2. Easy operation. The onboard controls offer quick access to high-flow regulator, tank and tool pressure gauges, quick connect air outlet, and on/off switch for ease of use. Number 3. Maximum portability. Pneumatic wheels and a small footprint allows for excellent mobility. 2 rear handles offer easy transportation to various job sites. Number 4. Cast iron, V-twin cylinder, oil-lubricated pump. Number 5. Built with a high-flow regulator which supplies more torque for the projects like removing old rusted bolts get more air to the tool. Number 6. A dual-voltage motor is wired for a standard 120-volt outlet, and may also be converted for 240-volt applications. Number 7. 155 psi max pressure for optimum tool performance. Number 8. Fully assembled and equipped with high-flow regulator, tank and working pressure gauges, quick connect air outlet, and on/off switch for ease of use. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.